Welcome back to performance testing with JMeter new series. This is day 3. In day 3 you will get to understand in entire video, okay, type of domains and then type of softwares, and then last one, okay, why testing is required nowadays. So these three things you will get to understand in entire video. Okay, if you are new to this channel, subscribe it, and we are going to be uploaded many more into the mock interviews as well as interview questions related. Okay, thank you.
What is software and what is testing? What is our job? What you do if you learn this course, what you do as part of the performance testing in application in software, where do we involved? Being 2 years, what is our role and responsibilities? Being 3 years, what is our roles and responsibilities? Being 5 years, what is our roles and responsibilities into the performance testing? I am not trying to make you understand what is technical way. Just to overview, we are trying to understand because it is the demo. You should have to get to know what is the overview of the tool, what is the overview of the performance testing, what is overview, what is happening in the IT market. Because technical way everyone can tell. I can directly start with what is performance testing. I can go through different kind of tools and explain. It doesn't make any sense to move to the actual sessions. Okay, just focus on. So what is software? What is software? What is testing? Tell me. Anyone?
Software is set of instructions
Okay.
to
Set.
do some job, task.
Okay.
And testing is whether it is correct or not. What we are developed, the software, it is correct to the customer. It is satisfying customer needs, or the software is achieving the needs of customer.
Good, good, good. Okay. So it is talking all about differing to the testing. It's always talking to about the testing, what customer expects, what actual behaves, what application software behaves, what is customer expect. Always we will be cross-checking. Always will be cross-checking. So let's say if you are using the Amazon or Facebook, okay, Facebook, let's talk about because people will be using. So whenever Facebook, when it has released into the production, by the way, when you guys are started using it in production in the live, if I talk about the Facebook, this is also the software. Let's talk about this. Around 2008 or when it is released, Facebook. So somewhere 8 or 9. So whenever people are trying to use in 2009, how many customers were there to the Facebook? How many of you guys were using? Around, let's talk about 100 people were using Facebook in 2009. Next, 2013, how many people are increased? How many people are using the Facebook? Or 2023, how many people are using the Facebook?
Almost everyone.
Almost everyone, people are there in a millions in the crores, right? People are using Facebook application, but whenever they had started it, they were not knowing it. This many people are using, this many people will be accessed and register and using this app. Anybody expected? This guy has expected? Sometimes yes, sometimes no, because it depends on the application quality, application user friendly, how it is attractive the people. Facebook. That's how software should be developed. That's how software should be deployed into the live, means production, means end users, what we are using. Okay. So whenever the people are coming for the requirement, let's say I had the idea, okay, I wanted to be start one e-commerce. Okay, I had the business already, let's say core business. I'm selling the products. Okay, I'm selling the products. Let's say I'm selling different kind of vegetables. Okay, different kind of vegetables I'm trying to sell. So nowadays people are accessing it, trying to book vegetables and ordering vegetables from different kind of locations, from different kind of people. It is I'm getting the orders. Let's say I had initially 100 orders when I started my business. Next, it is growing up to 250. It is growing up to 400. Being the core business, being the taking up the calls, right? Taking up the calls from the customer and making the note for the orders, which is difficult or not. I do not have any application. I am just giving so and so number. You just call me and order it. Okay. I just advertise these are all my phone number. You guys can try to call this number and order it. Let's say there are 100 people initially. My business is growing up. 250 are there, 400 are there, which can be user friendly to everyone. Come here and put the product. Can you agree? Let's say you are the business owner. Okay, this is the only number I got, or two numbers which I am taking up the orders. I am getting many orders. I am a bit confusing to maintain the database, to maintain the call, to maintain the request, order request. So that's where softwares are introduced to make it online business. Always core business, okay? Core business always may not be secured, may not be handling, right? There would be confusion. So that's where every market into the very simple, you know, every market, every business is converting into the online business. Is that correct or not? Every business is
Mm.
converting to the online nowadays. So before we are ordering some, what do you call home neededs, right? We were not having Zepto, we are not having Blinkit and all, Instamart. But nowadays, everything is coming to your home directly. That makes people life easily, right? You are just sitting up your home, you're trying to book the product, those guys are coming up, but they are charging very well, more than outside. You keep aside this. But everything is being online nowadays. So that's where software is being introduced. There would be different kind of softwares. There are different kind of businesses. If you talk about e-commerce, this is one of the domain you can calling as in the market. E-commerce is one of the domain based on the business. There are different kind of names. So my business is just selling the products, that is called e-commerce based application. You will say always e-commerce based domain. If someone asks you what kind of projects you did work on, if you work on selling and buying the products, you can directly say you got a chance to work on e-commerce based application. Let's say if you try to work on finance based application directly, you will say banking or finance based. But let's try to understand in general basic application e-commerce. How it will be developed, how it will be deployed, how it will be tested, how it will be going to the maintenance. Means end users, how they are utilizing it very easy way. How you are giving the quality of the product, quality, how you are giving the quality to the product means business. What is our job as a performance QA? What does automation people? What does manual people? What does dev team? How many roles are there to develop entire application? We will try to understand definitely from tomorrow. I don't want to get you bored. Tomorrow we will try to understand how the software will be developed. Next, in the back end, how the process can be happening, and there what is our job as a performance tester. Everything we'll try to get understand in a simple way. Tomorrow also there is a demo called to. This is just to make you understand, because most of the people will not be joining the sessions. They started joining it, they cannot sit more than 30 or 40 minutes. I don't want to get you bored. Let's keep it 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Tomorrow I can take up till 1 hour. Okay.